Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 5th October 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Teachers' Day is observed every year on. Answer is 5th October. World Teachers' Day or International Teachers' Day is observed every year on 5th October. In 2024, World Teachers' Day will focus on the theme Valuing Teacher Voices towards a new social contract for education. World Teachers' Day has a rich history dating back to 1966 when the UNESCO and the International Labour Organization (ILO) established the Special Intergovernmental Conference on the Status of Teachers in Paris. Question number 2. In India, National Dolphin Day is celebrated every year on. Answer is 5th October. National Dolphin Day is celebrated every year on 5th October in India. The announcement of celebrating National Dolphin Day was made by the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest, Environment and Climate Change in March 2022. Dolphin was declared the national animal in the year 2009 by the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Question number 3. How many languages have been accorded classical language status in India? Answer is 11. On 3rd October 2024, the Government of India has accepted the recommendation of the Linguistic Expert Committee and conferred the status of classical language to Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese, and Bengali languages. With the inclusion of these languages, the total number of classical languages in India is now 11. Tamil was the first language to be accorded classical language status in India in 2004. Question number 4. India's first modern cowshed with a bio-CNG plant has been inaugurated in. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. On the occasion of Swachhta Divas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated a Gaushala with a bio-CNG plant in Madhya Pradesh's Gwalior on 2nd October. This is India's first modern and self-reliant Gaushala with a bio-CNG plant, according to an official statement. The shelter can produce 3 tons of natural gas per day by using 100 tons of cow dung. Question number 5. Who become the country partner for the 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival? Answer is Wales. Nagaland government has signed Wales as one of the country partners for the upcoming 25th edition of the Hornbill Festival. The Department of Tourism in Nagaland is set to celebrate the 25th Hornbill Festival, marking its silver jubilee from December 1st to 10th at the heritage village, Kisma in Kohima. The festival is named after the hornbill bird, which is deeply respected in the state and features prominently in Naga folktales and songs. Question number 6. Which country will host the world's largest naval defense exhibition, Euronaval 2024? Answer is France. Euronaval 2024, the world's leading naval defense exhibition, will be held from November 4th to 7th, 2024, in Paris, France. Around 500 exhibitors are expected across 5 continents. 13 countries, including Brazil, the US, the UK, and Germany, will organize their own national pavilions. India is among 104 countries invited to attend this major naval defense trade show. Question number 7. What is the duration of National Mission on Edible Oils Oilseeds, NMO Oilseeds? Answer is 7 years. The Government of India has approved the National Mission on Edible Oils Oilseeds, NMO Oilseeds, to make India self-sufficient in edible oils. The duration of the scheme is 7 years from 2024 to 25 to 2030 to 31. The total outlay for the scheme is 10,103 crore rupees. India is the world's largest importer of edible oils and meets around 60 to 65% of its requirements through imports. Question number 8. Who was conferred with 25th Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence for 2024? Answer is Rajashri Birla. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar conferred the 25th Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence for 2024 to Srimati Rajashri Birla on 1st October 2024 at a function held at the Vice President's residence in New Delhi. The Delhi-based Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management has instituted the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence in memory of former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 9. Where was organized the 12th International Film Festival and Forum on Environment and Wildlife? Answer is New Delhi. The 12th International Film Festival and Forum on Environment and Wildlife, known as CMA's Vatavaran, started in New Delhi on 3rd October 2024. Asia's biggest green film festival, focused on the environment and wildlife, is being held in New Delhi from 3 to 5 October 2024. CMA's is a multidisciplinary research think tank in India. The first CMA's Vatavaran was organized in 2002 and is held every 2 years. Question number 10. How many members are there in the Monetary Policy Committee of RBI? Answer is 6 members. The Government of India has reconstituted the Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India and appointed 3 new members, Professor Ram Singh, Saukta Bhattacharya, and Dr. Nagesh Kumar. According to Section ZB of the RBI Act 1934, the Monetary Policy Committee consists of 6 members and is headed by the Governor of the RBI. The central government notified the first Monetary Policy Committee of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on 29 September 2016. Question number 11. What is the name of recently gained mini-moon of Earth? Answer is 2024 PT5. Earth has gained a temporary mini-moon, an asteroid named 2024 PT5, which will revolve around Earth from 29 September until 25 November 2024. This will revolve in a horseshoe shape for around 55 days and then escape Earth's gravitational pull without completing the full revolution. 2024 PT5, captured by Earth's gravitational pull, is around 10 meters in diameter. This won't be visible to the naked eye. Question number 12. Which airport recently renamed as the Jagatguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj Airport? Answer is Pune Airport. The government of Maharashtra has approved renaming the Pune International Airport, located in Lohegao, as the Jagatguru Sant Tukaram Maharaj International Airport. Sant Tukaram Maharaj, also known as Tuka, Tukobraya, Tukoba, was a Hindu, Marathi saint of Varkari Sampradaya in Dehu village in Maharashtra in the 17th century. He was born in Pune district. Question number 13. Which country has recently organized the G7 summit to discuss the Middle East crisis? Answer is Italy. On 2nd October 2024, Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni convened the call of G7 leaders to discuss the escalating crisis in the Middle East. Italy highlighted the need for the full implementation of UN Resolution 1701, which brought an end to the 2006 Israel-Hezbollah conflict. Italy holds the rotating presidency of the G7, the club of major Western democracies, which comprises the United States, Canada, Britain, France, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Question number 14. Taiwan has received its first shipment of Harpoon missile from which country? Answer is USA. Taiwan has received its first shipment of 100 land-based Harpoon anti-ship missile systems from the United States. This is an important step in strengthening Taiwan's military, especially during times of regional tension. The Harpoon is a designed subsonic anti-ship cruise missile that has been in service since 1977. It is a single missile, measures 4.5 m in length and weighs 526 kilograms. It is used by more than 30 countries, including India. Question number 15. Claudia Sheinbaum has become the first woman president of which country? Answer is Mexico. On 1st October, Claudia Sheinbaum was sworn in as the first woman president of Mexico. Sheinbaum, a 62-year-old scientist and former mayor of Mexico City, took the oath of office and received the presidential sash in a boisterous ceremony in Mexico's Congress, which marks the start of her 6-year term. She is a scientist with a PhD in energy engineering. She replaced her mentor, outgoing President Andrés Manuel López Obrador. Question number 16. Who won the 2024 China Open tennis tournament title? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. Spain's Carlos Alcaraz won the 2024 China Open tennis tournament title, his fourth two-level trophy of 2024. With this win, four-time Grand Slam champion Alcaraz has taken a 6-4 lead against 23-year-old Jannik Sinner. Question number 17. Where was the Google for India 2024 event organized recently? Answer is Delhi. The annual Google for India event was held on 3rd October in Delhi, where the tech giant announced the expansion of new features such as Gemini Live and AI overviews on search to cover more Indian languages. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the event, which started in 2015. Question number 18. Where was inaugurated the newly built Bapu Tower on the occasion of 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer is Patna. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated the newly built Bapu Tower in Patna on the occasion of the 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October. Bapu Tower has been constructed at a cost of 129 crore rupees. This building has several galleries dedicated to the life of the father of the nation. A special section on Gandhiji's Bihar visit and Champaran Satyagrah has been added to this tower aesthetically. Question number 19. Praveen Jaivikrama of which country has been banned from cricket for 1 year? Answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka spinner Praveen Jaivikrama has been banned from all forms of cricket for 1 year, with the last 6 months suspended for breaching the sport's anti-corruption code as per International Cricket Council (ICC). In August 2023, the ICC charged Jaivikrama for failing to report an approach to fix matches and obstructing an investigation. Jaivikrama, 26, made his debut for Sri Lanka across all formats in 2021. Question number 20. Mount Erebus, regularly emitting gold dust, is located in which continent? Answer is Antarctica. Antarctica's massive volcano, Mount Erebus, is regularly emitting microcrystals of gold. Usually, volcanoes spew steam, gases, and rocks, but now tiny crystallized gold particles are also being released. According to reports, this volcano emits around 80 grams of gold, which amounts to about $6,000 every day. These particulates of gold are not bigger than 20 micrometers in size and are carried by volcanic gas. However, these particulates have also been found 600 miles away from the volcano. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.